Hi everybody. Okay, so we're shuttled. We're back at the trailhead. The rain just started coming in, big rainstorm. It's supposed to clear up by the morning. We're trying to get to, I can't remember the name of the town, starts with a V, within 3 days. And we've kind of all, not permanently, but we've all split up a little. So what we're going to do, our family, is meet in towns at resupplies. So I got a big climb right now. It's raining heavy. It's going to be a long one getting up there. I don't know how much there will be to see in this weather. As you can see behind me, it's soggy and rainy. Like I said, 2.5 mile climb. It's 3:30. I'm gonna try and do 9, but that puts me getting into camp around 8 o'clock. So we'll see how that works out. But that's where a couple of them are going. So I'll probably go there too. It's a shelter, but there's campsites there. So I'll update you as we go. Check this out. Wow. First big climb, just about done. Big hydro wires. View's beautiful though. They have these stone cairns up on the top here where they pile all these rocks, and they kind of line the trail. There's been different speculation on why it was done. Some say it was to clear the rocks so that animals like cows could graze on it better. Whatever you believe, one thing's for sure, they are pretty, and they're everywhere. Like, they're all lined up here. Look, how cool is this? Rain is coming in now, getting a little harder. Makes hiking a little more difficult. It's a deer. You see him? He's behind those bushes. There, he just shook his little tail, stuck his head up. He's looking right at us. Good morning, everyone. Well, after a fairly short day coming out of Damascus and trail days, we're up early. It's just after 6, maybe 6:30. So big day today. Lots to see. Dragon's Tooth, Tinker's Cliffs, hopefully today. And then tomorrow.
Tinker's Cliff is not dry.
Okay. So not Tinker's Cliff today. So
Dragon's Tooth? McAfee
Dragon's Tooth.
McAfee knob?
McAfee knob, McAfee.
Tinker's Cliff.
Which I'm told is a triple crown. So that's exciting. Also, we're hitting 700 today. Yay! They're going faster. It seems like we were just at 6. So anyways, I'm sure to get you some views today. And keep you posted. Okay, we've been hiking for an hour. I just got some water from that water source behind us. Had a nice morning hike and chat with Roadrunner, but she took off. She's fast. She's strong. So let her fly. I'll catch up later. Big day today. 24. We're shooting for 24. I'll just meet her up there. And that puts us in a good position to get up early and go to McAfee Knob and get a sunrise. So I'm going to make sure I can do a time lapse and then get some shots. Should be nice. Today, Dragon's Tooth. Yes. Everything's blooming. Gorgeous. And here we are at the top of Brush Mountain. It took me almost 2 hours to climb this hill, this mountain. So obviously I'm not up to my speed. Yeah, so we'll have to make up some time or just accept the fact that, you know, we may be a little late coming into camp, but that's okay. At least we'll get there and we'll get that nice sunrise in the morning on McAfee Knob or McAfee Knob. We're down at the base of the next mountain, coming across a road. It's a beautiful little bridge. Oh, and look what I found.
We had a brunch.
I found my tramily. May as well say hello.
Hey. What's up?
Not much.
How's it going?
Good. Wow. This is so beautiful. Looking down into the valley. Of course, a month ago, none of these trees would have leaves on them. We'd have a better look at. But we get to see the vista. We get to see the tops. Beautiful. It's so pretty to come across a nice little meadow halfway up a mountain. Virginia. Oh yeah. Woohoo. How's that for a rock cairn? Crazy, huh? It's all man-made. Wow. And yet another rock cairn. Okay, so we should be right about here, and it should be 700 miles, I believe. I don't see any more. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, hang on. Hang on. There it is, everyone. 700 miles. Just crazy. I hope you're not getting too much wind noise here. So that was exciting. That was one milestone today. One milestone gone. I hope the wind's not really bad. It's very, very loud and windy right now. Okay, so we're on to the next one, which is the first part of the Triple Crown, and that is called Dragon's Tooth. And that we're going to do today, definitely, because it's only like 4 point something. I think I'd have to look it up, but something like 4 point something miles away. Got a little bit of a climb to get to it, so let's do it. Oops, correction. 2.3 miles to Dragon's Tooth. This just gets better by the minute. Looks like lady slippers to me. Incredible. Very treacherous downhill here. Very, very treacherous. I just came down off of the descent off from Dragon's Tooth. I'm sure it's not over yet, but wow, look at this. Roadrunner was right. She said check out the rhododendrons in full bloom. How gorgeous is this? Oh, wow. And this is a campsite. Imagine camping here. It's a piece of heaven. Wow. But we must get going here. Nice pastures with cows. We like cows. Hey, buddy. Couple of bulls. Oh, look what I found in the woods. A little kitty cat. Hi, baby. What you doing? You're a good boy, yes you are. Why is your fur all standing up? You ready to fight me? Oh. Well, then I guess petting you's out of the question, isn't it? See you later. Okay, so we're only a couple hundred yards from McAfee Knob. I'm just making the final ascent. Very excited. Let's get you out on that ledge. Here it is. The famous, world famous.
Tag hyperlight in those posts. That's like sponsorship too.
That's Roadrunner.
Alright,
The sun's just about coming out. See all those clouds. Greater depth of field. Sunrise from McAfee Knob. How gorgeous is that?
She's coming. She's coming. Oh. Here comes the Here comes the sun.
Goofy, come
And I say,
Goofy, come.
oh, she's beautiful.
Oh, dude, not there. You're right. Your head's right.
It's just cheese bowl.
Oh, is that cheese?
She's setting a time lapse.
Yep, that's okay. Good shot.
Beautiful sunrise. And this is so red.
sun rising from McAfee Knob. This is the second crown of the Triple Crown. The famous ledge. Now we're coming down off McAfee Knob. I just kneeled down and I must have opened up my knee because it's sticking to my pants right now. So this was the entryway to McAfee Knob, or some people call it McAfee Knob, I suppose. So we're going to start our descent. We're going to do 16 miles and get into Daleville. I'm going to set up a reservation right now. Well, that was very exciting. Very, very exciting. Beautiful sunrise. Very cold and windy. I was quite surprised. It was so nice coming up the mountain this morning, and as soon as you got out on that ledge, it was, wow, very cold. So, like I said, that's the second crown of the Triple Crown, and now we are going, I believe, another, well, I'm not sure, I think it's 9 miles to what's called Tinker's Cliff. Tinker's Cliff is the final crown of the Triple Crown, and we should have it today. I'm really excited. This is going to be awesome. We're doing over 16 today, or no, 18 today. 16 left now, or maybe even 15, I'm not sure. But to get into Daleville, and I've already reserved a room. The two of us are going to split it, Roadrunner and I. And we're going to stay there for 2 nights. So it's a full 0. But we're not going to get in there probably, at least I know I'm not going to get in there till 4 or 5 this afternoon. So don't know how much I'll get done tonight. Like laundry and shower and stuff. Well, shower for sure, but laundry may have to wait till the morning. And that's okay. Go out for a nice supper. And, oh my, gonna get one of these technical descents, rock scrambling. Anyways, yeah, so do that and just have a relaxing night tonight, and then tomorrow we'll do all our heavier stuff, the business stuff like resupplying and getting set for the next town. You know, how much we resupply, how much food we get, it really depends on where we are on the map. So, where is the trap? So anyways, yeah, that's all part of the planning that we do. So, and then Thursday morning, we'll jump back on trail. We'll be fresh, our devices will be charged, we'll have food, clean clothes, etc. This is like a maze here. Tinker Cliffs, oh, I was wrong, okay, 4.9. They say here it's 4.9 miles. So let's go check that out for sure.